What's up YouTube? Back again with another video. So this video is going to be an unboxing of the new throttle body right here. You can see this with the camera focus. Alright, I already opened the box. So excited, man. See what we got here. Got a little parts. Quick. Got a little let the camera focus. Comes with some screws. Okay. This thing is beautiful. Dude. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to be putting this on a 2020 Hellcat Redeye. So as you can see here, as far as the build quality, is pretty much phenomenal. It is some Kong Performance. I'm going to put the information down in the description below so you guys can check them out. This was not sponsored, so I did buy this with my own money. But if you guys want to check them out, pretty good company. I've not heard anything bad about them. I was gonna go with the 112mm throttle body, but instead I went ahead and went with a 108 because it's kind of plug and play. I didn't want to have anything as far as modifications, and that's why I did that. But if you guys pretty much like this, man, I mean, if you guys like the content, here's your chance for me to ask for it, guys. Subscribe, like the video. You can also follow me on Instagram as well. It is, you ready? It's _SRT bro. So you guys can check me out there when I'm not here on YouTube. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you guys soon. Peace.